Time management is a crucial component in you having a successful virtual wholesale business. On this video, I'll be giving you a few tips to help you manage your time effectively. See you in a second. Now, before I get started, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And for those of you that are new to the channel, I'm Shaun Young, virtual wholesale investor, author, coach, and all-around go-giver. And I love all things real estate. If you're currently struggling with time management, drop me a comment down below. Let me know about your journey. Improper time management can cripple your business and leave you feeling extremely burnt out and unable to gain momentum. So whether you're doing this full-time or you're doing this part-time after your full-time job, having a plan for your day is going to be necessary. Let's start with those that have a full-time job. First thing you want to do is, if you have a family, you want to let them know about your intentions and that you want to have a schedule in place that you can stick to and that you'll probably need their help to do it. Let them know that having a schedule is going to be highly important to the success of your business. Now that you have your support unit in place, you want to create a list of tasks that you have to accomplish on a daily basis and prioritize them. And make sure you give yourself enough time to accomplish these tasks. Whether that's taking 30 minutes of your lunch break to follow up with callers that you've reached out to in the past, or research new markets or new opportunities that you can reach out to in the future. You gotta do it. Then after you get home from work, block out time for family, dinner, and other responsibilities that you might have. Then give yourself from, let's say, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. to accomplish all the other tasks that you couldn't get to earlier in the day. This is very important. And if for whatever reason you're unable to accomplish those tasks, make sure you add them to the task for your next day. And as a rule of thumb, you want to make this list the night before you want to accomplish them. Now, for those who are able to be full-time with wholesaling, please understand that unlike a job that tells you what to do, when to do, and how to do it, everything is going to be up to you. And it's going to be up to you to execute these tasks on a consistent basis. One of the best ways you can accomplish this is by time blocking out your day. For example, have a daily wake-up time. Let's say for you, it's 7 a.m. Write down what you're going to be doing between 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. Then write down what you're going to be doing between 8 a.m. and, let's say, 9:30 a.m. And don't let anything get in the way of you accomplishing what you're going to be doing during that time block. Give yourself time for researching, give yourself time for making calls, returning calls, and so forth and so forth. Just ensure that you're actually giving yourself time to be successful with your business. When you make a schedule, and more importantly, stick to it, it makes accomplishing your goals that much easier. Now, there's a free app that you can use with your time management journey that I also use that's called Productive. So head on over to the App Store and download that app. Well, that's all I've got for you today, guys. If you got any value out of today's episode, go ahead and smash that like button, hit that notification bell so that you never miss an episode. And if you want to see if I can help you with your virtual real estate struggles, then schedule a call with me today. Head on over to ShaunYoungCoaches.com and schedule a call with me and my team. Let's see if we'd be a good fit. So thank all of you out there for watching. And remember, help me, help you, help us all. I'll see you on the other side.
On the throne, the top is so alone. Only thing that keeps me going is I know my city love me. I know my city love me. I know my city love me. I know my city love me.